Hi! Welcome to the how-to tutorial on creating valve gates in Inspire Mold. Valve gate capability allows users to simulate the actual behavior of sequential filling in Inspire Mold. Once we have opened the model assembly, let us navigate to the molding ribbon, molding group, and define the molding cavity, material, and temperature. Now click on the runner system icon and access the sub-icon of gates. Select the parts to be designated as gates. Next, we will define valve gates and provide controls to activate them. Click the valve gate icon and select gates one by one. A dialog box appears where we can specify if the gate is a valve gate or not. We can also select the initial state of the valve gate. Now click on the Add Controller button to add a control to the valve. Select Open or Closed for the valve state. In the valve gate dialog, define controls to open and close the valve gate during the injection stage based on time, pressure, flow front, or volume. Click on Select Point and choose a point in the model near the gate. Follow along with the demonstration to set up each valve gate configuration. Right-click and confirm to exit the selection. Now set up the process condition and stages of the analysis to run the simulation.